Hi, my name is Vanessa Nieves, and I'm a member of the Ultimate Exit course since November 21st of 2025. Um, what I like about the course is that, first of all, you don't have to go through all the YouTube videos and go through everything and figure out which YouTube video should you be watching, which one is like related to whatever you're doing. Um, in the course you have everything right here on the course at the beginning, so you know what to click, where to go, get your mindset ready and everything. They have all this course, and as you can see, they're not so long, and they have the number of the lessons and the percentage that you're going through. The course itself is a whole bunch of lessons. It's 226. Right now I'm at 48%. And in addition to the lessons on boarding number one, no, sorry, in here, the very first one, the download and start filling out, you have a book. You get to you can print it out if you want to. You don't have to, but you have your master book. And what I like about it when I print it out is that in the back I can write my notes. I am more of a touchy person instead of everything virtual, so I like that I get to print it out and just write the notes that I want. The other thing that I like is they have new topics, so and they even put the days right here, and like AI is always changing. So in this case, like Nano Banana, which is like the new thing that is everywhere, they have like prompts and things that you can do with Nano Banana, and you can find those in here too. They talk about having the proper mindset, and like when you're not inspired, you could come back over here and get some of the resource. And some of the things it will not be like 1 or 2 minutes. Some of them are like an hour and a half, like you could really sit down and learn. And like me, for example, I have a regular full-time job, and sometimes I like listening to music, some background noise going on. And in this case, sometimes I just put the courses or the additional topics. They also have live recording calls, but I like watching all the recordings. And so sometimes when I just sitting down at home, I just listen to that instead of the radio. And or if I'm at work too, and I have my little notebook, and I'm like, oh, that's a really good tip, so I go ahead and write it down. They also have another part that I really really like is section called resource, and everything you can think of is in here. Like for example, they have a phone pairing resource, new listing draft template if you don't have your own shop, other Printify companies, like print on demand companies besides Printify, product design checklist, everything you could look in health insurance recommendations if you don't have a regular job, and you definitely need to look into it. So in this course you can find a lot of stuff that you're never gonna get on a YouTube video. So yeah, I personally I do a combination of both things, because there's like the trends, like the things that the YouTube video has. It has like the trends and the styles around right now that they're hot and stuff. So she does a lot of that research, and all of that will not be in here in the course. So I personally I like to still watch the YouTube videos only from her, because I become too overwhelmed watching everybody else. And then to continue with my classes, which it has been good. I just opened my shop back in October.